Hey guys, this is Vivek and in this video, I'll show you 3 methods through which you can earn money from Instagram with 0 followers. So make sure you watch the video till the end and don't skip any part. So without wasting much more time, let's roll in the intro. So guys, in order to earn money from Instagram with 0 followers, you need 4 things. First of all, you need an internet connection, and I guess you already have that. Second, you need some free time, but only for the initial days. After you have established your business, you can hire freelancers from websites like Fiverr or Upwork. Third, you need a payment processor to accept or receive your payments. So what I suggest is using PayPal or Stripe to receive your payments, as they are pretty convenient. Now the last requirement is optional and it only requires 10 to 15 bucks. So what you do is make a website. Now that's pretty much it for the requirements. Let's head over to how you will actually earn from Instagram. So the 3 methods are: first, flipping Instagram accounts; second, running a SMMA, which is social media managing agency; and third is shoutouts. Now first of all, let's talk about flipping Instagram accounts. So what you do is buy a small Instagram account with good engagement rate around 10 to 15% and grow them, and then later on sell them at a higher price. So you think of it as a real estate property. You invest in buying a cheap property, then you repair it and sell it at a good profit. But now you might ask me, how do I grow my Instagram account? So don't worry, my next video will be covering this topic only on how I grow my Instagram accounts. Our second business model is SMMA, which is social media managing agency. Now what you do is you contact businesses and offer your service to them. For them, you grow their account, manage it and also post on it, and you get them new clients, and in return you get your money. The third business model is about shoutouts. So you message small accounts and ask them if they are interested in buying shoutouts from big pages with over 100k followers, and if they do, then you message big accounts regarding their prices for shoutouts and negotiate with them, and then you will manage the deal with the small and the large account and keep a profit from the dealer side for you. Or what you can do is create a Shopify website and send traffic through shoutouts, and then the traffic goes to your site, and if they like the product, then they buy it. Now let's talk about how to automate your business. So what I did is I hired virtual assistants from websites like Fiverr and Upwork, and I gave them tasks like posting daily on an account and creating posts for my agency. So what did this for me was save a lot of time. Now in order to hire a virtual assistant, always choose a VA with good rating and try to maintain all your payments through freelancing websites itself, because if the virtual assistant don't work properly, you can contact the website for refund. And once you have formed a trust with your virtual assistant, you can pay them monthly or weekly with PayPal and also negotiate the price as would be paying them for a whole month or a week. Now how to scale the business, you might ask me. So what I suggest is you make a website and take testimonials from all your clients you work with, whatever it be, flipping account or be it for agency. So you take all the testimonials and put them in one website and send your potential clients directly to the website so that they can check your work. What this will do is it will make your client believe that you are the right person for the job. Now some mistakes to avoid which I did. Never send payment for Instagram account to PayPal. As friend or family, I faced it several times that once taking the payment, these Instagram accounts would never reply back. So always use business so that if they don't reply, then you can charge back them through PayPal. Second, never use bots to increase your following, as they affect our account in a bad way and make your account engagement go really low. Third, always try to take payment before starting work for the agency, because I've seen many people saying that they would pay me after seeing my work for a week or a month, but never accept this term. So what you can do is take an advance payment and then take the rest of the payment after the work is complete. So that's pretty much it for the video guys. So I hope you like this video. If you liked it, then give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a video in the future.